Dad, can I buy something at the store?
Okay, go right ahead. Welcome to the store. Can I help you please?
Can I buy a microwave please?
Here is your microwave. Go pay at the counter.
The price of the microwave is $317, and the tax is $76.08, and your total is $393.08 please.
Okay, I am going to pay $490.
Your change is $96.92. Your microwave will be ready in 2 minutes.
Did you buy something at the store?
I brought a microwave.
The microwave is ready.
Thanks. Sir, you brought a new microwave. I'm so happy. We can put a new one right now.
Thanks, Dad.